It looks like a good day. Let's see what I'm driving today. Oh, this is gonna be good. Forged rims, HIDs. This is my ride today. My personal one. And not another one borrowed from a dealership. Let's get it. Look at that interior. It's nice. Other than that bottle of water there, that was me being lazy. It sounds like a cat purring in the morning. Sun dents here and there. The heck? That's all I needed. Oh, smells like burnt. As clean as this car is, it needs some TLC. So today we're gonna change accessory belt and the power steering and air conditioning belt on the G35 2006. So follow me and I will show you how to get it done by yourself, very cheap. It's gonna cost you less than $25 and you get it done on your own. Sorry neighbors, but I don't believe that the pulleys are bad. Nothing else is going on. It's only when it's cold, because the belts have the tendency to get compact when it gets cold. They're not spinning on at the same size as they used to, or they're supposed to. So the belts, sometimes they overstretch, sometimes they get really bad and you have to replace them. That's the way it is. Well, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it with less than $25. Right? Check this view, man. You cannot beat these back roads. I'm heading to the hobby shop. We can film the replacement of the power steering belt and the AC belt on my G35. Let's take this and this off. See that one right there? You have to use it with a 14 wrench. It has to be loose like this, and then you have to loose that one too. All the cover, take it down, and you're gonna expose the whole thing. This tensor that is already loose, you see it there? This tensor bolt off. So you have to count how many revolutions you go on the left side in order to remember which ones you're gonna do to the right side. And the same thing you're gonna do with this one that is already loose. You have to do this bolt right here. Left side, and then 10 revolutions out, right side. Right, that way you get the right tension in both of them. So the belts are going around all the pulleys, and the only time that the belt goes over off a pulley is the tension pulley right here. It looks pretty clean, no sweats, no drips, no oil, no rust. So far, very clean undercarriage. Everything looks good. Clean for a 12-year-old vehicle. Let's see the differential. We're gonna lose this one first, because this belt is over that one, and then we're gonna lose this one secondary. The sway bar is on the way, so you need an extension. 2, 11, 12. The belt comes off. The belt comes off easily. This belt, it looks good, but it was scratching a lot. I'm gonna do the whole thing. I'd rather clean it up. So same process with this one. You had to count, and in order for you to remember, just go ahead and do 12, all right? 1, 12. This one, I don't believe it was bad. So let's try to put it over again. So you have to look over those two pulleys. This one goes over this one, and over that one. So one trick is to put the big pulley first and pull it in, stretch it out, and then you go to the little one. And that's it. Simple. And get it in all the way. There you go. Touch it around the pulley. That way you know if it's in all the way. And the same thing you have to touch in the other one. So now this other pulley, you're just gonna start tightening it up. Switch it. Let's go back in. 1. 12. You check one more time that everything is placed. Nothing is missing. Maybe one more. Because you don't want to tighten it up too much. Maybe one more. There you go. Now we're gonna go to the second one. The secondary is a longer one, so you have to be careful on that one. And again, you start from the bigger one. So again, now you have the big one and the big pulley, the crank. This is a tensioner. That all the teeth are touching the belt where they belong, nothing over. And it looks pretty good. So now we're gonna start tightening it up. 1. 12. Let's do 13. You have to feel that everything is in place. And it looks good. Right amount of tension. Now, don't forget to tie back this to 14 millimeters bolts. And that'll be it.
No! I'm telling you, man, it's not permanent. Yeah, we got to train all the parts. We were doing everything.
We have them tied back, nothing loose. Tied back, nothing loose. 12 RPMs here, probably 12 and 3/4. 12 RPMs here, or maybe 12 and 3/4. 12 and 3/4, and then you see the belt. It's pretty standard. Make sure that everything is in place, because if something goes wrong, it's gonna beat this belt really quick. You have to make sure that everything is in place before you fire up the engine, because it can cause bad wear. Alright, the moment of the truth. Let's see if this works. One of the pulleys did a trip. Hopefully it's not that I have to replace a pulley, because the belts are new. In summary, you can change your power steering belt, pretty easy on a VQ35 or any G35 350z engine. It's pretty straight. Maxima, Altimas, or Muranos, or even the Pathfinder of this particular year, the G35 belts are pretty easy. But I happened to find out that I also have the pulley, it wiggles a little bit, and that's what's causing the chirping. It was not the actual belt. But let's see how it goes and see if I can fix it. So, this is atCAMS, and I will see you guys next time.